Very good morning, children. How are you all? Welcome to the Cytology classroom. So I hope children you all are fine and doing well in your studies. अच्छे से पढ़ रहे होंगे आप सभी and revision भी आप सभी अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे as it is your last chapter from term 2 and a very few days are left for your board examination. Your board examination are in accounting. So I hope you all are doing very well. Okay, आप अच्छा करोगे. Fine. Okay. As details are already provided to you on the board, the date, class, subject, and the chapter also which we are discussing is social influence and group processes. This is the chapter which we are discussing. So many things, children, we have discussed from this chapter, and I just hope you all have done the revision also. So many things we have discussed, children. I told you just now, social influence and group processes. Now, I am going to discuss with you the new topic with you all, which is conformity, compliance and obedience. ये सारी चीज़ें ग्रुप में होती हैं जब आप ग्रुप में होते हो. ग्रुप मेंबर्स कंफर्मिटी करते हैं, कॉम्प्लायंस करते हैं और ओबीडियंस करते हैं. सो लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट दीज थ्री इंपॉर्टेंट टर्म्स. सो द टॉपिक इज कंफर्मिटी, compliance and obedience. Conformity, compliance and obedience. This is the topic where I am going to discuss with you the one by one. So first I am going to discuss with you about conformity. Conformity क्या होती है? What is conformity? Again try to understand it from the word conformity. यानी there is a word confirm. Confirm से बना है conformity. Confirm करना, assure करना. ठीक है? So conformity is a type of social influence. ये एक तरह का एक social influence है. Conformity is a type of social influence in which members follow the norms. Conformity is a type of social influence in which members follow the norms of the group. That is known as conformity. कंफर्मिटी एक तरह का सोशल इन्फ्लुएंस होता है जिसमें कि जो ग्रुप मेंबर्स होते हैं वो ग्रुप की नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करते हैं. कंफर्मिटी एक तरह का अ काइंड ऑफ कंफर्मिटी एक तरह का सोशल इन्फ्लुएंस है. कंफर्मिटी में जब आप ग्रुप में होते हैं तो ग्रुप ने कुछ नॉर्म्स बनाए होते हैं. अभी मैंने just I told you all that when you are in a group, there are some elements. The group member have some roles. There is a norms in the group. There is a status. There is a cohesiveness. So these are some of the things which are a part of the group. So when you are in the group have made some norms for each and every member. So every member have to follow the group norm. That is known as conformity. So conformity क्या है? ग्रुप के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो नॉर्म्स को फॉलो करें. That is a conformity. ऐसा क्यों करते हैं? Why is people conform? This is a question which is asked in your book. Why do people conform? क्यों conform करते हैं? क्यों ग्रुप के बनाए हुए नॉर्म्स को लोग मान लेते हैं? अपने ओपिनियन, थॉट और व्यू को नहीं रखते हैं. एक अपना इंडिविजुअलिज्म नहीं रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ग्रुप की द रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द ग्रुप ओनली. व्हाई डू सो? व्हाई डू पीपल कंफर्म? सो द फर्स्ट रीजन द पीपल कंफर्म इज they don't want to separate from the group. सबसे पहला रीजन तो है फियर ऑफ सेपरेशन होता है. सो वो ग्रुप से सेपरेट नहीं होना चाहते. दे डोंट वांट टू सेपरेट फ्रॉम द ग्रुप, आइसोलेटेड फ्रॉम द ग्रुप. उनको कहीं से अकेला ऐसा नहीं दिखना है कि हम बहुत अकेले हैं. सो दे डोंट वांट टू सेपरेट फ्रॉम द ग्रुप. ग्रुप से वो सेपरेट नहीं होना चाहते, अलग नहीं होना चाहते, हाईलाइटेड नहीं होना चाहते. सेपरेट नहीं, डोंट वांट टू सेपरेट फ्रॉम द ग्रुप, डोंट वांट टू बी हाईलाइटेड, डोंट वांट टू बी. उनको लगता है कि अगर ग्रुप ने कोई नॉर्म्स बनाए हैं, if the group have made some of the norms, so if I do not follow it, so I am going to be in a limelight, which usually person do not want to be. एक सेंटर पॉइंट में मैं आ जाऊंगा कि दिस इज द मेंबर विच इज नॉट फॉलोइंग द ग्रुप नॉर्म्स. एवरीबडी इज फॉलोइंग एंड he is the or she is the person who is violating the norm. So that person will come into the center point. So that is why the people conform, क्योंकि they do not want to be separate from the group. वो group का part होना चाहते हैं. They want to be a part of the group, not to be separate from the group. They do not want to be highlighted so much. So these are some of the reasons that people do the conformity. I hope you all have written it. There are some determinants of conformity also. There are some factors which are determining the conformity. कि conformity होगी या नहीं होगी, या conformity दिखेगी या representative होगी या नहीं होगी. Understood? So there are some determinants of conformity. What are the determinants and what are the factors which are affecting the conformity? So let's discuss about it. The first factor is the size of the group. Then size of the the minority. Third, public or private expression of behavior. Last, personality characteristics. So these are some of the determinants of conformity which determine the conformity कि conformity होगी या नहीं होगी. सबसे पहला the first determinant of conformity is size of the group. Size of the group means जिस ग्रुप में आप रह रहे हो उसकी साइज कैसी है. अगर if it is large, so obviously the conformity is shown. If the group is small, अगर छोटा group है, the members are less, so maybe हो सकता है the people will put their opinion. But if the group is large, so many members are there, so obviously conformity तो होगी, disconformity होने के chances, there is a very little chances of the disconformity. Size of the minority also determined. Minority means minority or majority क्या होता है? Minority is the section where the people are less in number. There are very few people who are in that particular side. Majority are the category where the people are so many. So minority की जो size है that also very much determine conformity. Now minority में कितने लोग हैं? How many peoples are there? If the peoples are very less, so maybe the conformity is shown, and again if the members are more, so conformity के chances नहीं है. Sorry, conformity के chances ज़्यादा है अगर members ज़्यादा हैं. कम है members, so maybe the person will not show the conformity. The third important determinant of conformity is public or private expression of behavior. आप the person public or private means how you are doing the expressions of your behavior, how you are expressing. Is it a public expression or is it a private expression? How you are expressing. So it has been found that if there is a public expression of behavior, then there will be the high conformity. किसी भी बात को लेके अगर हम किसी का ओपिनियन लेते हैं और पब्लिकली लेते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली सभी कोई एक ही बात पे सहमत होता है. Why? Which we already discussed, that nobody wants to be separate from the group and nobody wants to be highlighted. कोई भी हाईलाइट नहीं होना चाहता और ग्रुप से सेपरेट नहीं होना चाहता, जिसकी वजह से वे लोग कंफर्मिटी करते हैं. So public and private expression of behavior also determine the conformity. So public में conformity high होगी, but अगर आपके पास option है, if you have an option to express yourself privately, so maybe there is a less chances of the conformity and individual opinions are more shown here. अगर आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर है वो प्राइवेटली कर दिया जाए, आपसे इंडिविजुअली आइसोलेटेड होके कोई भी चीज़ पूछी जाए, तो हो सकता है आप अपने ओपिनियन उस टाइम रखो. अंडरस्टूड? द पब्लिक एंड द प्राइवेट एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ बिहेवियर. It was trying to explain, like, just consider one of the example in order to understand this. In the school, the management has asked from the teachers that everybody give your opinion that on every weekday there will be a holiday or not. Everybody have to give opinion, but if this opinion is asking publicly, so maybe everybody will confirm on one point. But if it is asking privately, like there was a box kept and it was asked that everyone will on a page write down their opinion and do not mention your name. So from this we will get the true result. We will get the true things. Understood? So from this example, I hope you understood that how it is one of the determinant of conformity. Now, last but not the least, the important determinant of conformity is personality characteristics. Person की जो characteristics हैं, that very much determine the conformity. Person कैसा है, it also very much determine conformity will be done or not. So now how it is? ऐसे कैसे? See, in actually when the persons are more intelligent and more knowledgeable and they know what is wrong, they know how to distinguish the right from the wrong, and they know, they have a knowledge of such thing, so they put up their opinion. So such kind of person will do the less conformity. ऐसे पर्सन कंफर्मिटी बहुत ही कम करते हैं क्योंकि उन्हें पता होता है कि वो सही है और वो अपने ओपिनियंस को रख सकते हैं. So person characteristics also very much determine the conformity. So I hope what is conformity is clear to you all. Next. The next is, after understanding about the conformity and its determinants, now I am going to discuss with you the next word, which is compliance. Compliance क्या है? Compliance is a type of social influence. ये भी एक तरह से it is also a kind of social influence. Compliance is a type of social influence which means accepting the request, which means accepting the request made by someone. Compliance is a type of social influence which means accepting the request made by someone. Compliance एक तरह का वो social influence है जिसका मतलब होता है कि रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट करना. अगर किसी ने आपसे कोई रिक्वेस्ट की है और आप उस रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हो, सो इट मीन्स यू आर डूइंग कॉम्प्लायंस. कॉम्प्लायंस अगेन वर्ड इज मेड फ्रॉम कंप्लाई. कंप्लाई कर रहे हो आप. यू आर एक्सेप्टिंग द रिक्वेस्ट, यू आर कंप्लाइंग विद द पर्सन. नाउ देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस रिक्वेस्ट वर्ड. If this request is done by some elder person, some authoritative person, some designated person. अगर ये designated person आपसे request कर रहा है तो that is not a compliance. So that become the obedience. इसे हम कहेंगे obedience. So obedience is a type of social influence. Obedience is a type of social influence which means accepting the request, which means accepting the request made by any senior, elder, or authoritative person. Obedience is a type of social influence which means accepting the request made by any senior, elder or authoritative person. अगर कोई सीनियर, कोई एल्डर आपसे बड़ा, कोई स्टेटस पर्सन, if asking for some kind of request, so that is known as obedience. आपने ये, you all have learned this word in your English term also. Whenever you write down an application, you write down yours obediently. आपका आज्ञाकारी. Obedient means something you are obedienting to the person, accepting the request which was made by some elderly person. So you are doing the obedience to authority. There are some techniques which are discussed in your book regarding the compliance. So let's discuss about those techniques. I hope you all have written it. So compliance done, obedience done. You understand about compliance and obedience as well as understand the difference also. Now there were some techniques of compliance. There are three main techniques of compliance. First is foot in the door. Second is door in the face. Third, deadline. So these three techniques of compliance. Foot in the door, foot पैर जो होते हैं वो डोर में गया. Door in the face यानी एक फेस दिया. तो in comparison to the face and foot, which is more better? Obviously face. पैर से आपके फूट से तो बड़ा ही है फेस. सो ऑब्वियसली आप ऐसे समझ सकते हो डोर इन द फेस है तो यानी बिग रिक्वेस्ट टू स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट. और इसमें क्या करते हैं? मूविंग फ्रॉम स्मॉल टू बिग रिक्वेस्ट. और ये डेडलाइन जो है ये टाइम बाउंडेड टेक्निक है. Now what happened? Foot in the door. अगर किसी पर्सन से ने आपसे स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट की है फिर स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट करते करते वो एक बिग भी आपके सामने रख रहा है, आपने उसकी अभी तक सारी रिक्वेस्ट को एक्सेप्ट किया है, सो वो आप बिग भी एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे। नाउ बिग टू स्मॉल, किसी ने आपके सामने कोई बिग रिक्वेस्ट रख दी, आपने उसको डिनाई किया, फिर उसके बाद एक स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट रख देगा तो आप उसको एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे, ठीक है। दैट इज अ डोर इन द फेस। Deadline is the time bounded. You are in a very hurry and someone is asking you for something. You don't have a time to think and you comply with it. So these are some of the techniques of compliance. The detail I am going to discuss in the next video, definitely. Okay. And for this, I must say thank you so much for carefully listening to me and observing this video.